Hey, the good folks over at Fetik has sent me a air duster. It says it has 130,000 RPMs. Comes with a 2600 milliamp battery, so it should last you a little while. I believe they said something like 2 hours on the low setting. So that's plenty of time to do what I need to do with it. Let's get it opened up and see what's in the box. And then we'll see how well it blows. Have our air duster instructions. Okay, we have our blower set. That's pretty small. Look at that. Compare that to a cell phone. It's actually smaller than my cell phone. Wow. See what else we have here. An attachment here. Actually, it's a couple of attachments. Big nozzle and a smaller nozzle. This will be our intake side and our blowing side here. There's little grooves right here. You can just put it in here and then turn it. Get it in the right spot. Right there. Turn it. There we go. Hold the power button in. That is low. Slide it up to high. Whoa. Uh-oh. Good way to dust off the desk real quick and clear everything out, even the things you don't want to clear out. Now, I was watching a little video on this. I didn't really think about it, but you can use these to blow up swimming pool accessories, like little balls and floats and things like that. Never really thought about that. Definitely has some power. I would mainly use it to blow out my computer as well as my keyboard here. I also saw on the video they was blowing it on a fire. If I'd have known that, where I just moved from, I had a fireplace, and sometimes I was sitting down there blowing on it to get it going. You could use one of these things, but I would suggest holding back a little ways and using it on low power. You don't want to blow ashes everywhere, so hold it back a little ways. The keyboard probably needs blown out. So hold the power button in. Not extremely powerful, but it is plenty powerful to blow out little dust particles and potato chip crumbles and whatnot. The desk is dirty. I'm going to blow this off. Quick way to do some dusting. I saw a little test and I was just kind of curious if we can do this without making a huge mess. I'm going to turn that on and we'll put it on low. A little water away from the computer. That's on low. Woo, blowing water out everywhere. All over the computer. Blew the water out of the bowl easily. Well, as you can see, my little experiment kind of made a little bit of a mess, more of a mess than what I wanted to make. So I'm going to get it cleaned up, but I can definitely say that this is a thumbs up. It will blow the dust and the water away from and out of the way. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching. Now I got to clean this up.